Hey, what's up, guys? So today is the day that we're actually headed out to go get the tool bag. So we took the toll, and the votes come in that you guys, 75% of you guys would prefer a tool backpack. So that's actually what we're going to get. We're going to head to the store and purchase this. I'm either going to go to Lowe's or Home Depot. I'm going to shop in between two of them and find the one that I'm personally would get for myself, because my tool bag is time for a new one also. So this tool bag that I purchased is going to be a tool bag that I will be personally using myself. So, you know, for the next year or so to this tool bag lasts, we'll be using the same tool bag together. So I think that's pretty cool. But this is David with DC Appliance Spearfish. First time being a part of my channel. Go ahead and leave me a thumbs up and subscribe. You want to be a part of it. And I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Hey, real quick, you want to be sure to watch the video to the end for basic instructions to participate in this giveaway.
What's going on, guys? David here with you, and here I am shopping between these two bags here. The one I'm about to show you is the one I didn't go with, just to the fact of how many pockets this unit had. It didn't have a lot of pockets. It was a little bit bigger, but I decided to go with this one right here. What's going on, guys? David here with you, and today is the day that I bring you and show and reveal to you the tool bag that I've picked out for the tool bag giveaway. So let's talk about this. First of all, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys supporting my channel. I appreciate it, and this is a way for me to show some love and support and appreciation back to you guys. So this right here is the AWP HP Extreme Tool Backpack. I was choosing between this one and another one. The other tool bag was a little bit bigger, but it didn't have as many pockets. And so I was stuck between getting bigger size with less pocket, or, you know, a little bit compactor one with more pockets. So this tool bag here is the very first one that I went with when I started my appliance repair business. It lasted me for a good three and a half years with no problems. Let's go into it. So you got a first pocket here, and it has many little pockets here. You can put your smaller tools, your smaller Phillipses and flat blades, your smaller little pick tools, your different smaller tools you could put here that you can use. That's what I did. That's what I used it for. Your bigger compartment here, which where you'll keep your main bigger tools here. I like it. I had no problem with it falling over or anything. It actually stands up. And so here, you got your bigger pockets for your bigger tools, your channel locks, your wire snips, your pliers, all your tools that you need here. You got pockets that you can fit them in and be organized. You pull up to a customer's house, you want your tool bag nice and neat and organized. So again, that's why I went with this one with all the pockets. You can see down here in the bottom, it's nice size down in the bottom. You can keep your drill, your hammer, your spanner wrench, bigger tools, your light, different things like that. It also has the pocket right here in the front. Another neat thing about this is you got your little side pocket here. This is where I would keep my test meter. And, in my other electrical tools that I would have, I keep them in this pocket, and I put my little business card right here where people could see it. And then you got the other little pocket over here on this side. Normally I keep like my glue, like my adhesive, my specialty tapes, different little specialty stuff I keep in this pocket right here, or sometimes in this front pocket right here, in this section here. But it's cushioned on the back. You can also, it has hooks for you can hook this around you, and it also, you can hook other tools up to it. Like if you had an extra pocket, you can hook to it right here. It's cushioned and soft. Like I said, I enjoyed this tool bag for 3.5 years. But I just wanted to reveal this to you. In the next video or the next clip, in this next clip, I will go over the steps and how to participate in it. I just wanted to show you guys that this is the baby right here. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next clip. Alright, now that you've made it this far, I'm going to give you guys this week to participate in this giveaway. And the reason why I'm doing that is for everybody to see this, okay? Because I want each and every one of you to participate. So, if you've already subscribed to my channel, great. Thank you very much. Leave the letter S in the comment. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go on and subscribe. This is how we'll qualify you, and comment the letter S in the comments and leave a thumbs up. One more time, subscribe to my channel, comment S. If you already subscribed, still comment S. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you've commented S, because I'm going to pick the names and choose the names, and you're not subscribed, I can go and check that and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Alright guys, basic instructions. Go on to do that for me. Next Saturday, we're going to be doing the live drawing. See you guys next weekend.